Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we're gonna see how to install Nothing widgets on any Android smartphone. So the first step is to open your Google Chrome browser. From here, search Nothing Launcher. Now scroll down to APK Mirror. From here, scroll down to Download APK. Now tap on it. Tap on Download Anyway. From here, tap on Open. Now tap on Install. Alright. Now go to your home screen and press and hold on the home screen. Now select Widgets. From here, scroll down until you find your Nothing launcher. And there you have it. Just press and hold on the widget you want to put on your home screen and drag it on your home screen. We will choose another widget like this one. Now, as you can see, we have successfully installed Nothing widgets on our smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.